We have been modifying plants and animals for millennia. Early farmers selected and bred crops for desirable traits. This process was slow and imprecise. Today, we are in a new era of agriculture. Bioengineering allows us to directly manipulate the genes of organisms. This technology promises to revolutionize our food system. Bioengineering offers solutions to pressing global challenges. It can help us produce more food on less land. It can make crops more nutritious and resilient. Bioengineering allows us to create entirely new foods. These foods could be tastier, healthier, and more sustainable. However, this new technology comes with uncertainties. We must carefully consider the potential risks and benefits of bioengineered foods. We must also engage in open and informed public dialogue about this technology. The future of our food system may depend on it. Bioengineering in agriculture involves manipulating the genetic makeup of crops and livestock. Scientists can add, delete, or modify genes to introduce desirable traits. These traits can include increased yield, pest resistance, and drought tolerance. Traditional breeding methods rely on natural processes. Bioengineering, however, allows for more precise and targeted modifications. This allows scientists to introduce specific traits more quickly and efficiently. The goal is to develop crops and livestock that are better suited to the challenges of modern agriculture. This technology has the potential to address many agricultural challenges. It can help us produce more food with fewer resources. This is crucial as the global population continues to grow. Bioengineering also offers solutions to environmental concerns such as pesticide use and water scarcity. However, the long-term implications of this technology are still being studied. Genetically modified organisms, or GMOs, are the first generation of bioengineered crops. These crops have been modified to express specific genes. These genes often come from other organisms, such as bacteria. This process gives GMOs traits like insect resistance or herbicide tolerance. GMOs have been widely adopted in some countries. They have led to increased crop yields and reduced pesticide use. However, GMOs have also faced public scrutiny and opposition. Concerns exist about their potential impact on human health and the environment. While scientific consensus supports the safety of commercially available GMOs, ongoing research and debate are essential. The debate surrounding GMOs highlights the complexity of bioengineered food. It underscores the importance of transparency, rigorous testing, and consumer choice. CRISPR is a revolutionary gene editing technology. It allows scientists to make precise changes to an organism's DNA. Unlike traditional GMO methods, CRISPR does not always involve introducing foreign genes. It can be used to make targeted edits to an organism's existing genome. CRISPR offers greater precision and efficiency compared to older genetic engineering techniques. This has the potential to accelerate the development of crops with improved traits. These traits can include enhanced nutritional content, disease resistance, and climate resilience. CRISPR is still a relatively new technology. However, it holds immense promise for addressing challenges in agriculture and beyond. Its potential applications range from developing disease-resistant crops to creating new medical therapies. Section 5, the future is growing, lab-grown meat and dairy. Bioengineering is not limited to crops. Scientists are now creating meat and dairy products in laboratories. This involves cultivating animal cells in a controlled environment. These products, often called cellular agriculture, have the potential to revolutionize the way we consume animal products. Lab-grown meat and dairy offer several potential benefits. They could significantly reduce the environmental impact associated with traditional animal agriculture. They could also address animal welfare concerns related to factory farming. While still in its early stages, cellular agriculture has garnered a significant investment and attention. As technology advances and production costs decrease, these products could become increasingly available to consumers in the coming years. Section 6, a greener field: environmental impacts of bioengineering. Bioengineering offers potential solutions to some of agriculture's most pressing environmental challenges. Crops engineered for drought tolerance can thrive in water-scarce regions. Pest-resistant crops can reduce the need for chemical pesticides. Reduced pesticide use has positive implications for biodiversity, soil health, and water quality. Bioengineered crops can also contribute to lower greenhouse gas emissions. They can achieve this through reduced tillage and fertilizer requirements. However, it is crucial to acknowledge that bioengineering is not a silver bullet for environmental problems. Sustainable agriculture requires a multifaceted approach. This approach must include responsible land management practices and a shift towards more diverse cropping systems. Section 7, ethics and safety: navigating uncharted territory. The rapid advancements in bioengineering raise important ethical and safety considerations. Concerns exist about the potential for unintended consequences. These consequences could affect human health, biodiversity, and the environment. Rigorous safety assessments and regulations are crucial for ensuring the responsible development and deployment of bioengineered products. Transparency and public engagement are also essential for fostering trust and informed decision-making. The potential benefits of bioengineering are vast. However, we must proceed with caution. We must prioritize ethical considerations and long-term sustainability over short-term gains. Section 8, the dilemma of progress: balancing innovation with caution. Bioengineering presents us with a classic dilemma of progress. It offers the potential to address some of humanity's most pressing challenges, yet it also introduces new risks and uncertainties. Navigating this dilemma requires careful consideration of both the potential benefits and risks of this technology. A balanced approach is needed. We must embrace innovation while also acknowledging potential risks. This requires robust scientific research, comprehensive safety assessments, and transparent public dialogue. Ultimately, the future of bioengineering in food and agriculture depends on our ability to harness its potential while mitigating its risks. This will require a collective effort from scientists, policymakers, farmers, and consumers. Section 9, feeding the future: bioengineering and sustainable agriculture. As the global population grows, so does the demand for food. Climate change and environmental degradation pose significant threats to agricultural productivity. Bioengineering offers a powerful set of tools that can help us meet these challenges by developing crops that are more resilient, nutritious, and resource efficient. Bioengineering can contribute to a more sustainable and equitable food system. However, it's important to remember that bioengineering is just one piece of the puzzle. Achieving truly sustainable agriculture requires a holistic approach. This approach must encompass agroecological practices, fair trade policies, and reduced food waste. By combining the best of traditional knowledge with cutting-edge technology, we can create a food system that nourishes both people and the planet for generations to come.